So today we are going to make this aircraft called UH-60A Black Hawk main rotor design. Okay, so the blade consists of three parts, so three cross sections. Okay, as you can see here, 1, 2 and 3, and these three cross sections are mentioned up here: SC105, 1095, and this one. So it's up to you how you gonna make it. Okay, the main idea is not to create, okay, it's just to get the results. So generally what we do in the testing part, um, we let me give you an idea. Paint. So the main concept is like this. This is a rotor hole, and at this position the different airfoil section is here, and here it is different. Okay, and at this point it is different. Okay, and we are going to connect using the sweep command. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Okay, but the question is, we know this airfoils, but we don't know the length parameter, or you can say how it's gonna be bending from here, like that. But yes, in this video we are just going to make a estimation of the actual one, not the actual one. Okay, that's a prime thing here. And yeah, that gonna be said. Let's just begin. Okay, so first of all we need this one, so just copy it. We have this side, this is all open source. Okay, you can just download it from here. So this is a PDF given by NASA, right? So yeah, so we need this airfoil right away. So come up here, go for list of all airfoils. Okay, once you come up here, go for Control F and paste it like this, and just rename it as SC10. So I'm interested in this one, 1095 Sikorsky SC, or the name of the aircraft, or you can say the helicopter, right? It's UH-60A Black Hawk, right? So okay, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I got the data here. So the one thing that is required to plot the data in CATIA V5 is this thing called select format. Okay, we need the dimensions. Okay, so once we get all the points, just copy this all. Okay, come back in the folder, make a new Word file. Okay, and open up it and just paste it. Remove the first line, which is this one. We don't need that. Okay, and that's it. Go for save. Name it as, okay, the data is there. Make a new Excel sheet. Open it. Once you open that, go for data. Go for from text. So there is the main reason we are doing this is to get the proper in two columns. Okay, not in single column. So yeah, CATIA V5. There's select the notepad, and we need this inside. Okay, like this. Go for next, and column 1 and column 2. That's fine for me. Go finish, and okay, we got the data in the two separate columns. And so all you need is this file, this Excel sheet. You can download it from the description link. Okay, so just need to download this file, open it, and once you open it, you can see it's a pre-built thing. Okay, you can just go for an enable editing here first. So once you click on this will export everything, this all points to the CATIA. Okay, so for now what we need to do is just copy this all. Okay, copy and try to paste it here. Okay, so just extend the zeros. Okay, you got it, everything here. go for enable content, and here as well the same thing. Got it, 141 points. So the main reason we are using this is Excel sheet is to export this button which I built it. Okay, so yeah, basics: one, to get the data from the internet; second, to clean the data; and third is to export it. Okay, so once we all done this thing, go for save and go for export. So it will ask for you for a prompt here. Hold on. Okay, let's say is UH-60 Airfoil design. Okay, so this will export everything in one go. Hmm, that's it. That's it. Come back to the CATIA. Make sure you have open the CATIA, okay, first. So now we need to join these points, okay. So for that we are currently now in the part design, but we want to go inside wireframe and surface design, okay. So once it get loaded, go for this option called spline. Okay, if you haven't get this option up here, always use it from here. Okay, insert and everything is there. Okay, so for now what you need to do is just join these points. Okay, before we do go further, just delete the last point up here because we need a clean trailing edge. Okay, so that's why just select these points one by one. You can select one by one, or you can just select in one go as well, which I'm doing it right away like this. It's easy, that's why I'm doing it. So zoom in, you can use options here for the zoom and zoom out. Okay, and that's it. Preview and okay. Now the ring is done. We need to now scale it. Okay, as per our thing. So the main reason the scaling is important because if you're using an ANSYS, okay, ANSYS a software that is used for simulation, okay, for to test the things. So this is whole from this point to this point, it is only one mm. Okay, so try to use the scaling as per of your ANSYS modeling that you're doing. If your laptop or your system is low configuration, use between 10 mm to 20 mm. Okay, if you have a very good environment, use from 1000 mm to more than that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just select this thing and go for an option called scaling. Okay, go for insert operations scaling, and this time select a middle plane, or you can say YZ plane. Okay, select that, and so the ratio, now the ratio matters here. Okay, so I'm going to scale it to a little bit around 100. Okay, like this. Now select once again, go for scaling option is up here. Okay, now this time select the YZ plane. Okay, like this. Preview. Okay, hide these things, hide and hide. I'm going to leave these points. Okay, there's no need. So once I go click on this fit in all, so this will give you us the clear airfoil.